Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Alright, so let's start with the Aussie dollar this week. Let's try a different format this week. I'd like to maybe go a little bit deeper into my thought processes on what is going on in the markets. So it gives you guys a better idea of the nuances that goes through my head when I'm actually creating these videos. Okay, so for the Aussie dollar, we see a breakout of this little channel that's formed here. It wasn't a very deep retrace, right? Probably hit the 38.2 retracement level, and then now it's retracing towards the upside. And typically, there should be a deeper retracement. For example, like if we look at this uptrend, the retrace went all the way to the 50% retracement level. But of course, if you go further up, it hits the 38.2% retracement level. And there is some confluence between these two times in history. So right now, there is some news that what's going on for the next year or so, maybe two, is that the Fed will raise rates 25 basis points at a time, similar to what they did in 2004. So are we going to see a similar pattern happen here, similar to this that happened in 2004, 2005? We very well might. So let's dive into it to see what the price actions may give us. Okay, so let me just remove this retracement. Okay, so let's say this is the bottom, right? And we are going for another pump up. I think what we are going to see is a 5-wave move up. So if we think of the Elliott wave theory, and of course it's just a theory. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The cycle is completed, and it has retraced down, and are we going to see the start of the 5-wave move up? We could, and if it does, we will see a pretty strong move. But first, I think what needs to happen is there needs to be a rejection at this level, right near these levels. So let's dive in, let's put it closer so that in the 4 hour we can see it. Okay, so yeah. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so what I'm really expecting to see if price doesn't collapse back down is price to move back up here in March or maybe in April. We shall see. Okay, so this is what I think will happen. It will not be entirely smooth. You may see some retrace, rejection as it nears the level, it gets more choppy. So maybe like something like that. Now, of course, if this is just a fake out, then it needs to find a deeper level retracement. Then I think what it may do is it may break down from here and find something here. Okay. And if it goes back down, I think where we might see price see some reaction is this 0.5 retracement or this 0.643. Sometimes it just skips the 50% and goes all the way back down to the 68.1. Yeah. Cool. So for us, the likely case, I think I'm favoring the upside more than the downside. However, do note that the downside may very well happen for the Aussie dollar. Right? Okay, let me just check my input. Yep, I think it's working fine.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.